Hey everyone, so a really short video. I wanted to take an opportunity to share with you that tonight over on my Facebook page, which is Spirit Meets Adventure, links will be within this video. I'll be going live, so I'll be going live off the Facebook page for around about 30 minutes. We'll be going live at 7 PM British summertime, and as I say, for around about 30 minutes or so, exploring the latest side card, insights, and I'll be kind of drawing a card in a moment ahead of time, and then this evening we can kind of really explore those insights, and importantly how to make the most of them, how we can kind of consciously work with the influences and the changes within our lives at this time, as well as deliver one or two spirit messages. I also will be creating a giveaway opportunity. Okay, and the opportunity is I will be giving away a copy of my audiobook. My audiobook, The Long Road Home. It's the stories within the stories, an insight into my world, where it all started, and where that journey has led me, and how it all kind of began, and the stories within the stories. You know, it's people have described it to me and saying it's very kind of real. At times it's very humorous, it's very thought-provoking, and it really kind of shares the relationship that I've had with the innate, and also it's kind of there's elements of it that are hands-on because it's been captured at some of the talks and some of the Q&As that I've delivered over time. So it's an opportunity to win a copy. As I say, links are going to be within this video. I really hope to see you there. In the meantime, have a really wonderful day, and ahead of time, let's draw the side card that we're going to be working with this evening. So let's give these a good old shuffle up. There's a card there that felt like it was going to come, so I'm just going to listen to that. It felt a difference in the flow, so let's see what this card is. The Home card. Okay, to me there's a very powerful message within that stirring away already. So that's the card that we will be exploring tonight live off the Facebook page, Spirit Meets Adventure. All links can be found within this video. I'll be going live at 7 PM British summertime. In the meantime, have a wonderful day and hope to see you this evening. Cheers guys, bye bye.